What's going on?
Someone's trying to kill us. We are trying to kill them.
You don't know what side they're fighting for.
I'm Alex Garland, the writer-director of Civil War. It's a war film in the apocalypse now mode. A graph of ramping adrenaline and intensity leading to an invasion of Washington, D.C. These journalists are embedded with. They're risking their lives to show the world what happened.
When you're a war photojournalist, that's your job. Whatever that takes, she's willing to risk her life.
It's serious and it's dangerous, but in some ways it's a road trip movie. Whilst it's tracking the cross-country through war as they make their way towards DC, it's also tracking the relationship.
I'm worried about that girl, and I'm worried about you too.
The whole group is at risk because you don't know what you're gonna face. There's no GPS, everything's down, no one can use cell phones. They're taking the back roads to stay off major highways.
The United States are vaporizing.
Every day we're dealing with very hardcore scenario.
The way that Alex shot it was really intelligent because he didn't do it in a traditional style. The cameras were almost invisible to us. It felt immersive and it felt incredibly real, and it was chilling.
When I read the script, this is no ordinary thing. Coming from the guy who directed Ex Machina Annihilation, I really think that Alex is a brilliant person.
Mind, yeah.
That's how I felt reading the script. It was like nothing I'd ever read before.
I was trying to make people participate in the movie imaginatively rather than sit back and have it happen to them.
It shook me when I first saw it to my core, but also I thought it was very moving.
It's a hell of a story. It's a hell of an experience.
Get over here!